friends, I'm Kayla, a nutrition educator with Cal Fresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension, and welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month we'll be learning about tomatoes. The word tomato comes from the Aztecs. The Nahuatl word tomato means something that is round and plump. The Spanish word for tomato is tomate. There are many varieties of tomatoes that are divided into 4 categories based on their shape and size. Cherry tomatoes are sweet tomatoes that are usually eaten in salads. Plum or pear-shaped are more meaty and perfect for tomato produce. You may have heard them called Italian or Roma before. Slicing tomatoes are globe-shaped and mainly used for commercial and processed products. Beefsteak are tomatoes that are round, juicy, and used mainly in sandwiches. There are other varieties you may be familiar with, like heirloom tomatoes that are green, yellow, and orange in color. Interestingly enough, there are more than 4,000 varieties of tomatoes that range in size, shape, and color. The first tomatoes can be traced back to the Andes in Peru, where they grew wild as cherry-sized berries. As early as 700 AD, the Incas and Aztecs began cultivating tomato plants. Then, in the mid-1500s, the Spanish conquistadors brought tomato seeds back to Europe, where they were grown in Italy, Spain, and Portugal. Thomas Jefferson was one of the first Americans to grow tomatoes at his Virginia home as early as 1781. By 1812, tomatoes were gaining in popularity among Louisiana Creoles, who use them in their jambalayas and gumbos. Want to learn an interesting fact? Technically, tomatoes are botanically a fruit. However, the U.S. Supreme Court declared them a vegetable in 1893. A half cup of sliced tomatoes is a good source of vitamin A and vitamin C. They can also be a good source of vitamin K and potassium. Vitamin A is great for maintaining strong eyes and healthy skin, while vitamin C helps your body heal cuts and wounds. Vitamin K is great for helping your blood clot, and potassium can help maintain healthy blood pressure. Tomatoes are grown in every state in the United States, except for Alaska. Although California is the nation's tomato capital, 95% of processed tomatoes and about 75% of all tomatoes are grown in California. Tomatoes are a warm weather perennial plant. In California, fresh market tomatoes are grown using one of 2 methods, bush or pole. In Central Valley, 100% of all tomatoes are grown using bush, while in Southern California and the coastal counties, they practice the pole method. Getting hungry? Try this tomato-based recipe for Garden Sloppy Joes from foodheroes.org. What's your favorite tomato recipe? Aren't tomatoes just fascinating with their long history and thousands of varieties? Remember, the Spanish name for tomato is tomate. Thank you for joining us on this spotlight of tomatoes as our harvest of the month. How will you enjoy tomatoes this month? See if you can find tomatoes in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in the garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month!